Hot donut hair bun, hot donut hair bun. Now that I've got you, my hair won't be the same.
These are the finished results.
You are so awesome, the world's first heated hair bun. When I put you in my hair and I take you out later, I got waves.
This was the 3 packs of the Madame hair. Dyed it using the L'Oreal Wild Ombre. The one from dark to light brown. I think it's number 1. I did that the first day to just get the basic chestnutty kind of color in there. Then the next day I went and I used some peroxide, this mixture, the creme peroxide and a bleach powder. Just follow the instructions for the proportions to use because you have to use different proportions. I mix that up, put that right on the tips, just the tips pretty much, just to give the tips a little bit extra. Basically to do that I divided my hair in half, so the top section and the bottom section. Did the bottom section first, literally taking just a few strands each time, really coating it with the bleach peroxide combination, wrapping it in the foil and leaving that. Then I would go on to the next little section, so I had loads of aluminium foil little hanger-ons there. Then I tackle the top bit, and for the top bit, just to give it some variation, because ombre obviously is it's a mixture of different things. Ombre is whatever you want it to be, and so I left the top section, when I applied the bleach, I left out. I didn't wrap in any aluminium foil, just to see if that would give me a different tone difference, and I think it has given me a slight difference actually. So I left that on for about 25 minutes, the whole thing, when I was finished, and then I washed it out with some warm water, made sure it was all gone. Then I followed it up with some John Frieda tone correcting shampoo, the purple shampoo, and the conditioner. Just follow the instructions again, didn't leave it on for long at all. I let it air dry after that was finished, and although the body wave has a nice shape to it, naturally, the weave hair, I decided to actually go ahead and style it using my trusty hot donut hair bun, of course, and that gave me the luscious waves you are now seeing in my hair. I'll put a picture of what it looked like naturally with the body wave. Really happy with my ombre results. It goes to show you, you can do this look yourself at home. You don't need to go to the salon and spend loads of money on getting ombre done. I wanted to go for a more subtle ombre myself this time, so I went for the one B at the top, keeping my natural colour right there. And I didn't bleach at all any of my natural colour, which is the beauty of wearing weave, because it means that you can bleach the weave to whatever colour you like and your own natural hair isn't affected. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, hope this helps, and enjoy my new hairstyle. Mwah.